So the mower don't want to start. It looks like the battery is out. So now I'm gonna try to bypass the safety switch in order to start it with the jump starter, because when I put this right here, I won't be able to sit on it. So it's best to bypass it and try to jump start it. So now there's a metal piece there, we have to push it. If you just look at right here, you see a metal piece. You need a small screwdriver so you can push it in, and then it's gonna come out. Now we can start it. So now we're gonna jump start the mower. Okay, now we can connect. And then connect this here. Okay, now we're gonna turn this. So now we're gonna jump start it now. Red and negative, positive. Okay. Go.